Abdul Gidado Mohammed from Rivers State. I'm greeting National Ardo. The effort he's making for us, which is saying that let peace to be maintained. And we thank Almighty God who bring somebody like this. Number one. Number two, all what he have said now, he is already entered our ear. And now every one of us is researching in brain to understand what is going on for the world, especially Nigeria. Because Fulani man today is, if they kill fowl for road, they will say that Fulani man. If anything happen, they will say that Fulani man. How, the way we find ourselves into this country, we don't know where we are going. And thank God we get somebody like this who stands for us. By the grace of God, everything will move. Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
My name is Ardor Mohammed, a Cabinet State. This calling why these people, my senior called me, please, I don't take it very well. Because of that problem, why we have to anywhere than they say Fulani. Sometimes not be Fulani. Sometimes not be Fulani. The indigenous did that they do something, then they say not Fulani. So me na this state. These are magana da Hausa kaɗan.
You say Epa, Eno, Emini, Ato, say Igbo. I stayed Igbo land 42 years. The time when Sagari ruled, I did for that in Igbo state. I never go anywhere. But they remember say the Igbo state before, now Fulani was the state that Igbo state. The state, peace, no any problem. But later, they did not continue to do this and that, this and that. Any Fulani man will go for Enugu now. But now, what Enugu there now only 6 Fulani settlement for Enugu. That is going not every single one Fulani for that side. But that is up state. Now, only one group Fulani will stay for that place. Now, only cover the direct that place. They will have a way too much for that southeast, but they way too much. But like that Igbo state, they think that all now was where the southeast again. But the Abia state again is follow the bad things. But Enugu, better place. Only to say the youth leader want put say the foreign guy. One of the one government in grade say na foreign guy. Now then they give us that to Hana. You say na IPO. But if the one not say I say that Enugu long time. The whole by thinking na that Enugu say we are on there. I supposed to be na Enugu man. But now anyway, around for what that then I did for Kodina. Now only my children will there for that Enugu. But the two are the top, but before that Enugu, south is not any problem. But now the two were in Igbo the Wahana, now that for them now then the Igbo Wahana. Like the Igbo now it doesn't talk for that southeast. Anyone will talk, say now kill me that one.
So, my name is Amin Mohammed, Secretary of United for Peace. So, National Leadership Consultative Meeting held on 6 August 2023. The leadership of Fulfulde United for Peace across the 36 states of the Federation and the FCT observed that United for Peace is in a position as an ethnic and socio-cultural association to make most effective contribution for national development. Consciously, and 2, consciously, strategically mobilized all Fulbe nationwide and they supported President Tinubu in the 2023 presidential election. Hereby lead its support for all the concerned effort to bring peace and security in their country. Number 6, agree to develop strategies to bring all Fulbe together by using their traditional approach that is deeply rooted in the Fulbe traditional and cultural. Humbled, that in bracket, to bring an end to any form of criminality in the name of Fulbe. Sorry. Developing a strategic network with relevant authorities for Fulbe youth nationwide. Seeking for a local workable culture from within and will be reaching out to other interest groups to promote national forgiveness, reconciliation, and healing the wounds that have been inflicted on our great country, Nigeria. Number 9, asking government to consult with ARDO's leadership on issue of policy that concern the food bank. So this is the summary of our meeting here.
Okay, thank you very much. Now let me read the communique of the Fulani United for Peace National Leadership Consultative Meeting held today, 6th August 2023. The leadership of the Fulani United for Peace across the 36 states of the Federation and the FCT observed that 1. It is in a position as an ethnic and socio-cultural association to make most effective contribution for national development. 2. Consciously and strategically mobilize all Fulani nationwide, and they consciously and supported President. So this is not sorry. Not clear. Not clear. Sorry, please. Just 1 second. Let me. Sorry. What you're trying to say is
just delete it. What the,
yes, what it don't do. No, it's not.
you can just go through it.
Yeah. So please let me take it again.
1 second.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Take it.
The guy one guy.
Yes. So the communique again. Number 1, the leadership of Fulani United for Peace across the 36 states of the Federation and the FCT observed that 1, the Fulani is in a position as an ethnic and socio-cultural association to make the most effective contribution for national development. 2, it is hereby lends its support for all the concerted efforts to bring peace and security in the country. 3, they have agreed to develop strategies to bring all Fulani together by using their traditional approach that is deeply rooted in the Fulani tradition and culture, that is Hombodu, to bring an end to any form of criminality in the name of Fulani. 4, to develop a strategic network with relevant authorities for Fulani youth nationwide. 5, they are seeking for a local workable solution from within and will be reaching out to other interest groups to promote national forgiveness, reconciliation, and healing the wounds that have been inflicted on our great country, Nigeria. Lastly, they are asking government to consult with RDO's leadership on issues of policy that concern the Fulbe.